How much you got interested to watch that? The tree got more oil than DDG. Shut the fuck up. The tree is 5'9". You guys are weird. Blue! That's a Christmas tree. I thought it was a plant. Sugar Rush? Yeah, hold on. Christmas slots first. Blue. This slot, whip me at the moment you're playing 2 Legend? Yeah, I still haven't had any satisfying one on this. Whoa, yeah. Biggest win? Oh, am I gonna see some of my biggest? Look at my kick clips. Some of our biggest wins on there. Most of them, actually. Green. Rings, green. Give me rings. Wait, Bowser, this be fucking you too. Can you try Snow Slinger? Chat, I'm having fun on this. You said TikTok, I said kick clips. Did you have T-Man as a certified thrust master? What are we on about?
What?
1.2. You're having fun talking to your chat. I actually do, chat. You know, you guys are funny. I don't know if you guys remember, but if you were here like a year, 2 years ago on my gambling streams, bro, the chat was always just so toxic. It's like you guys didn't like me. Like, you legitimately didn't. You're always like, you fucking dumbass, why you playing this slot? Stupid ass man playing virtual blackjack. Retarded streamer. Great. Cause we don't. You guys love me. You guys love me. Hey, shut up, Dad. Blue. Yellow. That's ass. 4-foot tubby tie twink. What the fuck? Now witness it. Whoa, we trick? Hold on. Right. My first 3 on the Christmas gates. What's chat's favorite position? Bro, chat is just gonna yap out their fucking ass. They probably just watch porn, degenerates. They don't actually get pussy. Like, come on now. Yellow. Red. On my knees. Hourglass!
Yellow hourglass.
Oh my god, cups, hourglass, rich!
Hourglass is in.
Bang! I'll take it!
Red, blue.
Oh, red, blue was there.
Oh, that was the last spin. Sorry. Good ass.
Somebody back. That tree looks like it needs a cash out. Chat, maybe I'm broke and you guys don't know. Maybe when I get like 100k cash, you just see that tree just like turn into greatness. Shit. Maybe that represents the finances. Thousand X! What's good, Sun Touch? Yes, I'm live. Welcome, my friend. Salvation Army Tree. Set up better though? Chat, it's a way better vibe. You need a haircut? Yeah, I do. I get a haircut. Great. Bro, chat, you'll come tomorrow. The tree will have more decorations on it. I'll get a star on that bitch. This might be the last stream until next year. Chat. This is like, we have 11 days left of December. I'm gonna run up the fucking
multi.
The Christmas race. We're gonna get right up on our leaderboard, get rich. Big giveaways. You won't go live tomorrow? I will. 91% chance. 92. Okay? Cups green. Hello, Socky. I won't shower until the next time you stream. No way. We shower tomorrow morning then. Tree go. Oh my god.
Wait.
Briggs up.
Purple. Ass.
Hourglass.
Multi.
Hourglass. Blink twice and she's holding. She's not holding me hostage, chat. I'm making my own smart decisions. And we're back up 300 bucks. Nice. How many hours? 30 minutes. Damn. What streamer RTP is this? I can never get 20x. Bro, we're back where we started. I'm not having some crazy RTP. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. 5k down, 10 to go. We're good. Cash out night. Fuck me. Blue. Yellow. Oh.
Wait.
Oh. 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 Rings.
Rings.
Rings. Yo, thank you, Random. Hourglass.
Hourglass.
Is Spittle still coming back? Yes. I want some. I got a table at this place, so I can actually get a. I can get like a second monitor. Fuck it. Somehow rings should be in. Whoa, this is good. Blue.
Blue. Yep.
Ah. When retirement announcement. Brother, I don't have like 200 mil sitting around like Aiden Ross, bro. I can't just retire from fucking gambling streams. I'm not there yet, bro. Is she under the desk? Alright, 3-3-3, but they're lined up. That's a good sign. Okay, normally I don't do this, but 2K Limbo 2, I'm not doing that. Chat, let me do my fucking hours. Ty, is a girl ever made you laugh mid-show? How? Purple. Rap. Is she blind, Ticino? Go fuck yourself, bro. I'm a sexy human being. Bitch. Rat!
Bruh.
Is this 70 fucking cents? Just over.
Nope, it's $6.
How much do you pay her to be with her? You guys are funny, chat. You're so fucking funny. Ha ha ha! Do y'all have a handshake yet? Not yet. Hands! Right, okay. Pug! Bro! Just had a handshake with the missus, now join the stream. What is that code word for? Huh? Do you pay her your weekly bonuses? Right. Chat, I don't need money to pull girls. Like, why do you think I need money? Like, I just have, oh, chat, you know my body. Come on now. Holy fuck, pug life. Do you dap her up after you hit? Did you meet her after or before the Rolex? Shut the fuck up. Does she have an OnlyFans? No. This girl's different, chat. No OnlyFans. Never dealing with that shit again. Rings! Green! Rings! Hourglass! Once you make these hoes famous, they start their OnlyFans. Does she know you have a gambling addiction? Chat, I don't have an addiction. I'm John. I'm not the same person I was. Look at me being responsible. Blue. Red. 1000X. Orlando champ, my brother, how you doing? Welcome, Orlando. Does she know you stream for minors? Brother, you guys are all fucking 18. Stop playing. How old are you, chat? How old is everybody? Oh, ring! Does she know you only watch female hosts? Okay, that's not weird though. I know a game show and watch a female host. There's no, like, no one gets jealous over that. You guys are fucking trolls, bro. Bro, Eddie's gonna ban me! Say you're 18, but you're 18! Man, you guys are gonna get me fucked! Bro! Purple! Got you, Quagmire. You're not with Melly anymore, bro. We broke up like last year. If she breaks up with you, will you go through depression and start depoting again? Is that what you want? Do you want her to break up with me so I depot fucking 50k? Huh? Is that what you want?